discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Oh, you're good, man. Yes, sir. Thank you very much for showing me. I do a lot of YouTube stuff, JacobViral.
Oh, nice to meet you, brother.
Hey, nice to meet you too, man. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Yeah, my name's Ben. I got two ZV418s built by a guy down south. He doesn't do it anymore. But it's got, I guess, high temp ZV5 coils in them. I don't really know the spider pack on them, but it's on a Tramp Smart 3K right now at 2 ohm. Okay. I got a 320 alternator up in the front and just 2 Optima blue tops in the back. That's all I got.
Right. Is it a 6th order or 4th?
It's a 4th order. Yep.
And the back's open. Is it sealed enough to where it doesn't leak out? Is it louder with it shut, or do you not know? Or
I don't really know. Yeah. I mean, it kind of sounds the same. I haven't really.
So you probably got it pretty sealed off.
Yeah. I just did the paneling and then I put like foam stripping around the sides.
Okay.
Sealed the bottom off.
Yes, sir.
It's not too bad.
You have an upgraded alternator I can see?
Yeah.
I like it. If that's okay. Thank you. Yeah. Excuse me.
She just frightened, you can hear me from a back and you already know. The killing happened, my trunk. I got these niggas up in my trunk and I turn it up and all the ladies loving how it be bumping, nigga, you can hear me before you see me. I got beats up in my trunk. All the ladies want to kiss me, man. I hear my safety up and I tell that Lou and holler at you, bust it, hit my ceiling, once you're ready. This cheese like a deli. Don't stop. SC's on the couch cushion. I caught shots like I'm Tom Wooden. In the kitchen with my jewelry in a pot, cooking, walking through the mountain, nigga, stop looking. chopping with a bitch. So I took it, talking about that. And then she just frontin', you can hear me talk about that. And you already know about the women, how they feelin', how we gon' be on my tongue. Got my baby's brothers up in my trunk, and I turned it up, and all the ladies loving how we do open nigga dirty eyes. You can hear me when you see me, I got beats up in my trunk. All the ladies wanna choose me, they hear my singles. I said it, you and holla at you, bust some credit. Hit my ceiling, so get you ready. On my hunters, turn them racks. On my legs, turn the snacks. SUVs, black on pink, black on SUVs, black on black. I was fucking up, but now I'm back on track. That's a fact. So let me on, that's on check. I done turned the pedal sweet into my natural habitat. I just got my tax back. That shit cut my cash in half, and it hurts. All the women fall for me, I make them press that life alert. I just took a flight back to the A, I'm ready, get right to work. Me, I keep the bullets ready, so when they get high, you first. A lot of people begging on me, trying to make it out the dirt. Don't stop, get seeds on the couch cushions. I caught a shot, it's like I'm Tom Wooden. Turn the racks on my legs, turn the snacks. SUVs, black on pink, black on SUVs, black on black. I was fucking up, but now I'm back on track. That's a fact. So let me on, that's on check. I done turned the pedal sweet into my natural habitat. I just got my tax back. That shit cut my cash in half, and it hurts. Made 6, I'm a flirt. All the women fall for me, I make them press that life alert. I just took a flight back to the A, I'm ready, get right to work. Me, I keep it cool as steady, even when they get hyper first. A lot of people begging on me, trying to make it out of dirt. Don't stop, used to get seeds on the couch cushions. I call the shots like I'm Tom Wooden. Dedication on my jewelry and a pot cooking, walking through the mall, niggas. All my brags turn to fakes, all my hunters turn to wrecks.
Oh, you're good, man. Yes, sir. Thank you very much for showing me. I do a lot of YouTube stuff, JacobViral.
Oh, nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, man.
It kind of sounds the same. I haven't really.
So you probably got it pretty sealed off.
Yeah. I just did the paneling and then I put like foam stripping around the sides.
Okay.
Sealed the bottom off.
Yes, sir.
It's not too bad.
Thank you very much. What was your name?
Ben.
Ben.
Nice to meet you, Jacob.
Nice to meet you.